Hello everyone and welcome to Waterfall country in the Brecon Beacons. Today I'll be doing the Four Waterfall walk, and I'm also hoping to get Henrhyd Falls at the end of it, which is like an 18-minute drive from the actual location where I am now. This is just filmed after the New Year, so Happy New Year everyone, and I hope you guys have a good one. I hope you enjoy my video today, and so if you do, please give it a good old like and press the subscribe button for me please. So let's get cracking and let's explore these waterfalls. Okay, this is waterfall number one. What a waterfall it is. It's very nice. Wow. And it's so loud as well. Oh! Wow. Wow, 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 wow. So the car park I parked in takes you to the wrong side of the waterfalls. So to get to the other side, you need to cross this bridge here. It's quite easy to find. All you have to do is follow the path from the car park to this bridge, and then once you cross the bridge, turn right and you'll join the Four Waterfalls walk. If you want to park in that car park, I'll leave the postcode for that in the description box below. So now I'm going to take you to the other side of the first waterfall from where I was, and you should be able to see where I was standing earlier on. So to get to the other side of the waterfall just at, you should come to like a little Y junction. So you need to go right at that Y junction, and it should take you right down to a viewing platform. So this is the other side of the waterfall one I was just at. Right down there, that's where I was standing like, what, 10 minutes ago. So it doesn't take that long to get here, and it's quite an easy walk. The path is very flat. There's a few like steady inclines, but that's about it. So let's crack on to the other waterfalls. These are waterfalls number two. They are like cascading waterfalls, so there's like small little waterfalls one after another. So it's not as big as the first waterfall you saw. So what you can see is the waterfall there, and just behind there it's more of them, but you can't go around there. Turn you around, there's one there, and also one down there. The third waterfall is a 5 to 10 minute walk from waterfall number 2. So let's go. So this is the third waterfall. It looks pretty angry, I'm not gonna lie. Wow. Look how much water is coming down. Whoa. Wow. On more of a somber note, I saw these flowers placed next to the tree and on the water's edge. That tells me that someone has unfortunately died. So because of that, guys, I just want to tell you that it doesn't matter how nice the place looks, accidents can still happen. So please be vigilant and be careful at all times on the mountains and in the wilderness. Stay safe, guys, and may they rest in peace. Okay, I am now off to waterfall number 4. Apparently it's going to be quite a nice waterfall and you can walk under it, which I'm looking forward to. So let's go. So this is waterfall number 4. Now what an epic waterfall this is. Wow. Let's go underneath it. Let's go. Oh my god, I am fucking wet. Jesus Christ. Whoa! When you go underneath there, make sure you wear waterproof, because I wasn't. But luckily, I'm going back to the car now, so all good. Oh, it is an epic waterfall. I'm going to head back to the car now. I'm going to go to Henrhyd Falls, which is like a 20-minute drive. The next time you'll see me, I'll be there. Just arrived at Henrhyd Falls car park. If you want to know where it is, I'll leave the postcode in the description box below. So let's go. this is Henrhyd Falls, and what a waterfall it is. It is really, really nice. Just look at it. Wow. So this is where the back cave was as well on the Dark Knight Rises film. So when you ever watch Dark Knight Rises and you see that back cave, that's it. There's no cave behind it obviously this time, and there's obviously no Batman, but I think you can all accept that this waterfall is worth the visit. Wow. Okay guys, I am done with today's video. So if you enjoyed the video today, please give it a good old like and press the subscribe button for me please. So before I do go completely, I just want to give you some information regarding the waterfalls today. Both waterfalls are easy to navigate and to get to. All of the falls are signposted, so you can't really get lost. All you have to do is follow the path, and all fitness abilities can do it. I would highly recommend these walks to do as well, because they're really fun to do, especially the last waterfall on the Four Waterfalls walk, because you're absolutely soaked. So make sure you wear some waterproofs, because I didn't and I got absolutely wet. So until next time guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. What's up with that donkey?